Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download PayPal app to check crypto availability, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your smartphone's app store. If you are using an iPhone, tap on the App Store icon. If you are using an Android device, locate and open the Google Play Store. In the search bar, type PayPal and press search. Look for the official PayPal app in the search results. Check that the app is developed by PayPal Incorporated. Tap on the app to view more details. Once the app details load, look for the Install or Get button. Tap on the Install or Get button to start downloading. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. Once the installation is complete, locate the PayPal app on your home screen. Tap on the PayPal app icon to open it. If you already have an account, enter your login credentials. If you do not have an account, you will need to sign up for one. Follow the prompts to create your PayPal account. After logging in, navigate to the crypto section. If you cannot find it immediately, look for options like Invest or Crypto in the menu. Once in the crypto section, you can browse available cryptocurrencies. Explore the options to check availability and pricing. Now you can manage your cryptocurrency investments within the app. Make sure to review any necessary security measures for your account. Your PayPal app is now ready for checking crypto availability. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.